Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. This integration allows you to streamline your workflow by connecting two powerful productivity platforms, making it easier to sync tasks, projects, and data between them. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want this integration to be active, as it will apply to your entire workspace. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your ClickUp dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see various navigation options. Scroll down until you find the option labeled More and click on it. This will expand additional settings and features that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. From the expanded options, locate and click on Apps. This is where ClickUp houses all its integrations and third-party connections, giving you access to a wide range of tools that can enhance your productivity setup. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. This makes it easy to find specific integrations without having to scroll through the entire list. Type Notion into the search bar and hit Enter. ClickUp will filter the results and display the Notion integration option. Go ahead and click on it to open the integration details page. On the Notion integration page, you'll see information about what the integration can do and how it connects the two platforms. Look for the button that says Connect and click on it. This initiates the connection process between ClickUp and Notion, essentially creating a bridge between your two accounts. After clicking Connect, ClickUp will redirect you to a Notion login page. This is Notion's way of verifying that you have permission to connect your Notion workspace to ClickUp. Enter your Notion account credentials and log in. Make sure you're logging into the correct Notion workspace if you have multiple accounts, as the integration will apply to whichever workspace you authorize. Once you've successfully logged into Notion, you'll be presented with a permissions page. This page shows what data ClickUp will be able to access from your Notion workspace. Review these permissions to ensure you're comfortable with the access level. When you're ready, click the Next button. This confirms your authorization and allows ClickUp to establish the connection. The system will automatically complete the integration process, syncing your ClickUp account with Notion, and that's it. Your ClickUp and Notion accounts are now integrated, allowing you to manage your workflow more efficiently across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.